600k. Oh my god, I'm manifesting it. 6,600 subbies. What's up, besties? It's weekend, and what? Guess what? Of course, I have a vlog for you guys coming up of the weekend. I'm planning to undo my hair. I don't know how to maintain natural hair. I don't know. It's either I shave it. It's either I braid it. Yeah. Acha nimalize kujibomoa niende nifanywe hizo nini kinda vibe, like I go to Sunday to church. So yeah, I'm excited for this weekend. I hope you guys don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment, of course, and recommend me to your friends, guys. Bwana tufike 1k subscribers. Unaona hata mimi na make effort. I want to be consistent as possible. And here, you know what, we keep it raw. So be nice, leave a comment, and yeah, let's grow as a family. And to the new and returning subscribers, karibu sana. Thank you for choosing this girl. Yes, I'm going to disappoint you. So I'm done. This is my beautiful African hair. Actually nilianzanga kushuka mwezi wa 4. So it is making a progress. Yeah, nataka nioshe niende ni update, guys. After washing my 1 month braids, after braiding for 1 month, imagine. Bado my hair is like this. It's proudly sponsored by Kissy Jeans. God was mean when he was giving others good hair. But anyways, guys, I'm done washing my hair. I've taken a shower, an outside shower, African outside shower, and then this is the pants that I'm wearing, and I'm combining with this hot pink t-shirt. Yeah, I sell them. If you want anything, talk to your girl. I got you. So yeah, she rings are a lot. Lakini acha tuende pro dry mwana venye itakaa refu. Sahi. Let me prove you that miracles do. Girl, you make me say, my sugar, my love, my sugar, my love, my sugar, my love. Girl, you make me say, my sugar, my love, my sugar, my love, my sugar, my love. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up. My hair is giving along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here for? Niweke yaso. did my nails, and this is my 24-inch long African hair that it's giving. Anyway, hivyo ndio nywele yangu iko. It's not that si kubwa sana, but si at least unaona kushrink ilikuwa ina misbehave. Yeah, so jana nilikuwa nazurura Gikomba, and then I am on my mens. So I thought nimenunua maini ya kuku, ninataka tupike, we eat and maybe watch TikTok, yeah, and call it a day. Like, yeah, basically that is it. Hope umesubscribe, umeshare, leave a comment.
Put 100 grams on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he call my doors. No go fambu. As that day comes, as that
doing cornrows for the first time. I know they're not like popping, but you guys, if I get serious with it, I think I can train myself, guys. I'm so happy, man. Ona venye zimetokea na nywele yangu ni full blow dry na I'm a first timer braiding it, like the first time nimeijaribu ku braid. I feel I'm so proud of my first ever trial. Like, what do you mean? Nikijua kupatition na kukaza mkono, I think I can do it. What do you think about it? What do you think about it? Guys, I want to show you my talents. I prayed it for the first time and I'm so proud of myself. Cornrows for the first time. This it. Look at them go. Look at me. Hey, saizi mimi nenda ninunue wig kutoka leo. Hey, ni kujishuka wigi yangu imeishia. Bye to the saloonist. Can we get it together?
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Maybe you can give it something.
Hey, what's up, besties? Today I'm tagging you along to my gym workouts. Yeah, so let's go. I'll show you. I have my moringa water. It helps me for digestion and clear skin. Yeah, so let's head to the gym. I'll see you there.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's happening fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming, leaving rambling now. You and me got a whole other meaning, yeah, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's happening fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's happening fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid and you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, yeah, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's fake to me now. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up.
So guys, I'm done with the gym. Hey, karibu nasikia kufaint. Today I was doing glutes, my back. Yeah, and you don't need to skip gym day. Yeah, nimechoka, nimepitka punda. Let me go get a rest, take a shower. I'm almost done with my moringa water. It's very good for digestion, for clear skin. Yeah, and you should give it a try. Guys, thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. We are headed to 600k. Oh my god, I'm manifesting it. 6,600 subbies. And yeah, to the returning and new subscribers, karibu to the gang. Yeah, I'm glad that you are my besties. Yeah, until the next video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, yeah, and leave comments, and tell a friend to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? Yeah. Mwah.